Welcome to today's show. Join us as we follow a young man exploring nature with just his hands and a metal rod, from catching turtles in the mud to preparing a delicious meal. An unexpected journey awaits. Let's get started. Right now, let's follow this unique young man. First, watch as he carefully searches through the deep, muddy layers to catch small turtles. And that's not all, more surprises are yet to come. Wow! Did you see that? The way he skillfully finds the turtles in the mud is truly impressive. But the surprises don't end there. On his way back, the young man unexpectedly comes across an apple tree. Without hesitation, he picks fresh, juicy apples to take home and create an even more perfect meal. Can you feel the natural atmosphere blending with each of his actions? It's truly a fascinating and colorful journey, isn't it? Back home, the real creative journey begins. He skillfully seasons the turtle, uses banana leaves, and a special clay pot to prepare a mouth-watering roasted dish. The crackling fire and the delicious aroma fill the air. Just looking at it is enough to make anyone crave a bite. Let's wait and see how the final result turns out. And here it is, a dish with the perfect natural flavors, now complete. Under the quiet moonlight, the young man sits down to enjoy the fruits of his labor. A journey from the mud to a meal rich in wild, creative spirit. Dear viewers, today's journey has surely inspired us with the wonders of nature. Stay tuned for more fascinating stories in the upcoming episodes. Goodbye and see you next time.